The Great Pyramid of Giza, a marvel of ancient engineering, has once again captured the world's attention with the discovery of a hidden chamber.
This discovery, in my opinion, is the most important discovery on the 21st century.
This mysterious space, located deep within the pyramid, has ignited debates among archaeologists, historians, and enthusiasts alike, challenging traditional views about the pyramid's purpose and construction. Could the Great Pyramid be more than a burial site? Could it be part of a sophisticated ancient energy system? A groundbreaking discovery. The revelation of the hidden chamber, believed to be over 100 feet in length, has sent shockwaves through the archaeological community. Its discovery was made possible by advanced scanning technology, which detected anomalies in the pyramid's structure. This chamber joins the pyramid's intricate internal layout, which already includes the King's Chamber, Queen's Chamber, and the Grand Gallery. The Grand Gallery itself is a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians. This massive passageway, constructed without the use of mortar, showcases extraordinary precision and architectural skill from over 4,000 years ago. The red granite blocks used in its construction, quarried from Aswan over 1,000 kilometers away, raise questions about resource transportation and logistical capabilities of the time.
So this is it, the Grand Gallery. If you look at this and you think, they made this more than 4,000 years ago, they actually built this.
The newly discovered chamber might hold further secrets that can expand our understanding of these ancient methods. Challenging the tomb theory. For centuries, it was widely accepted that the pyramids were monumental tombs for pharaohs. However, no mummies, treasures, or burial artifacts have been found within the Great Pyramid. This stark contrast with the richly adorned tombs in the Valley of the Kings has led researchers to reconsider the pyramid's purpose. Adding to the intrigue is the absence of hieroglyphics within the Great Pyramid. Most Egyptian monuments are filled with inscriptions detailing their construction, purpose, and historical significance.
When we found this pyramid, there was no mummy. There were no treasures, no nothing, no hieroglyphics, nothing. What if all this that we're looking at is a decoy?
The lack of such writings in the Great Pyramid leaves a void that fuels alternative theories. Could this monumental structure have served an entirely different function? Theories of an ancient power plant. Among the most compelling theories is that the Great Pyramid functioned as an ancient power plant. According to this hypothesis, the pyramid was designed to harness and convert natural resources into electromagnetic energy. Proponents of this theory suggest that the ancient Egyptians possessed an advanced understanding of energy principles, far ahead of their time.
Christopher Dunn's theories indicate that some of these pyramids had chemicals mixed in them. And in fact, studies of his working devices have shown that this probably would work.
One proposed mechanism involves water from the Nile River being channeled to the pyramid. This water, flowing into a moat surrounding the structure, could have been used to generate gravitational energy. Inside the Queen's Chamber, chemical reactions may have occurred between hydrated zinc and hydrochloric acid, producing hydrogen gas. This process not only highlights a potential method of energy generation, but also underscores the Egyptians' innovative use of resources. Recent discoveries add weight to these claims. Traces of zinc and hydrochloric acid found in the pyramid's shafts suggest that chemical reactions were indeed taking place. These findings support the idea that the pyramid could have been an energy hub, converting raw materials into usable power. Could this be the key to understanding why such an immense effort was invested in constructing these colossal structures? Revolutionizing our understanding. The discovery of the hidden chamber and the ongoing exploration of its purpose challenge our conventional understanding of ancient Egyptian civilization. If the Great Pyramid were indeed an energy-producing structure, it would rewrite history books, painting a picture of a society far more technologically advanced than previously thought. While critics argue that the power plant theory lacks definitive proof, the evidence continues to build.
I don't know how they did it. All I know is they did it. I don't think anybody knows how they did it, how they lifted those stones, how they brought them up to that level. I think we're looking, again, at a lost technology.
The absence of traditional burial artifacts, the unique materials used in construction, and the advanced engineering techniques all point to an alternative explanation for the pyramid's purpose. looking to the future. The discovery of this hidden chamber marks only the beginning of a new chapter in the study of the Great Pyramid. As researchers delve deeper into this enigmatic structure, we can expect further revelations that may reshape our understanding of ancient Egypt. Whether the Great Pyramid is ultimately proven to be a tomb, an energy generator, or something else entirely, one thing remains certain: it stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring mysteries of our past. This hidden chamber, silent for millennia, may yet reveal secrets that revolutionize our view of one of history's greatest civilizations.